Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation on some key probability equations from Lecture 3. Today, we're focusing on the concept of independence, a fundamental idea that helps us understand how different events relate to each other. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 important equations related to independence. For each one, I'll explain what it means and give you a practical example. So let's start. Let's begin with the first concept, independence of two events. P of A intersection B equals P of A times P of B. This means that A and B are independent if the probability of both happening is just the product of each of them. If the probability of A and B both happening equals the probability of A times the probability of B, then A and B are independent. Next is conditional independence. When two events are independent, given that another event has occurred. P of A intersection B given C equals P of A given C times P of B given C. This means that even if C has already happened, A and B still don't affect each other. If C is known to have occurred and A and B are still independent, then the probability of A and B given C is the product of their individual probabilities given C. Now, let's look at independence in a group of events. P of A1 intersection A2 up to 1 equals the product of P of each AI. This means that every event in the group must be independent for all others. The events A1 to are independent if the probability of all of them happening together equals the product of their individual probabilities. 4 is pairwise independence, when every pair of event is independent. P of AI intersection AJ equals P of AI times P of AJ for all is not equal to J. This means that every pair behaves independently, but this doesn't guarantee the whole group is independent. If each pair of events has the product rule, they are pairwise independent, but full independent needs more than just this. Lastly, let's look at playability of independent units. P of system up equals the product of P of each unit being up. If each unit works independently, then the whole system success is just the product of each unit's reliability. The system will work if all independent units work. Multiply their success probabilities to get the system's overall reliability. So that's the 5 equations. I hope this helped you understand independence more clearly. Both is in simple events and more complex system. Thanks for watching.